New release alert. Say hello to the APNX V2, the next-gen flagship PC case is here. Introducing X-Pan Flow Design dual airflow paths for GPU and PSU, better cooling and lower temps. Panoramic showcase. 3 removable tempered glass panels create an 86.5% viewing area, show off your rig from every angle. Cooling and flexibility. Supports up to 10x 120mm fans, dual radiators, reverse connector motherboards, and smart cable management. Available in black or white. Whether you want performance or aesthetics, V2 brings both. Will you upgrade your rig with it? Please like or subscribe to our channel. Your help is important for us.